Mira, Ahren, you could be a pumpkin. How cute.
Oh, but no.
Hi and welcome. Okay, hey, what's up? How are you? If you are new, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, I upload sewing related videos. If that is something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. If you are curious to figure out what I am like, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I hope you enjoy them. And subscribe so that I can keep this going. But for those of you that already know what kind of video this is, let's go ahead and get started because I know you're interested to see what I found. So I went to Savers today with my son and I'll show you guys a clip. Where are we going?
Shopping.
Shopping? A ver, dame la mano.
Okay.
Walking in front of me like you know where you're going. What do you see?
Me zombie.
You want to be a zombie?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, my word.
Oh, for sister. $35. I thought I was at Savers. What the?
Oh, yeah.
I thought I was thrifting today. Mira
My
nomás.
brother, my word.
Oh, but you have this costume, big guy.
Yeah.
You want to keep looking at the costumes just to see them?
Yeah.
I'm not buying costumes here.
Oh, my wish.
Should I be a witch?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
See, even that, $17 for that. Mira nomás.
Oh, Mom.
Ooh, that's an alter. Oh, Cruella de Vil inspired? Ooh, Cruella de Vil.
Oh, Mom.
A clown poncho. I can make a poncho.
Oh, Mom.
Is that a laughing clown?
Yeah.
That's what you want to be?
No.
No?
No, me zombie.
You want to be I can make you a zombie costume and I
Oh,
can paint
Mom.
your face. Ooh, the wig.
Ah, Mom.
What do you see?
What's it?
Oh, wow. Let's keep going.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, dragons. That's cool. Ahren,
What?
you could be a Oh, look, that's cute for sister.
Yeah.
$22. Santo Dios. Why? I got a bone to go through.
Oh, Mom. Look.
The skeleton.
Yeah.
Do you love Halloween or do you love Halloween?
Oh, Mom. Horsey.
Horses? Ooh, didn't sister want to be a unicorn? Ooh. Mira, Ahren, you could be a pumpkin. How cute.
Oh, but no. Me
Oh,
zombie.
but no.
No, me zombie.
But look, it has lights.
That's cool.
You want to be a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Just because of the lights?
Take one.
Take it?
Yeah.
$23. I think somebody thought I was in the way, so when you hear me say huh, I wasn't saying it to Ahren, I was trying to say it to the person. Alright, Ahren. Okay, go ahead and scare people. Huh? That's what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Put it back on. You like it? Check that out. I actually went ahead and found a very good sturdy selfie stick for $1 at Savers. You see blue ones?
Yeah.
How many blue ones?
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Let's move back from the glass.
Okay.
We actually came to get some ice cream at the 99-cent store. Big guy, you can only get one.
But they want the one.
No, big guy, only one. They have this one, the cone.
Yeah.
Okay, but we need to put those back.
But they want the one.
I can't, I'm not gonna show you them if you're just gonna hold on to them, big guy. You have options. A ver. So there's the rainbow one, the 3 flavor one, the cone one. Look, they have cookies and cream. A ver, which one looks yummy in the picture? Look, a ver. Look at this one, Ahren. This one has M&M's. Or this one, it's an M&M bar. It has yummy M&M's. That one?
Yeah, I'm gonna take that one. But they
Ooh,
don't.
I think I'm gonna take the chocolate M&M.
But they don't.
240 calories.
But they don't.
If we get one for sister right now, we have to go home, or else it's
Okay.
gonna melt, and we don't want it to melt.
Okay.
So which one do you think sister might want? I think, knowing sister, ooh, I don't think she'll like the Twix. That's very caramelly.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna take sister one of these.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's go pay for it. And then put your seatbelt on so that you can have your ice cream. I'm gonna take a bite.
No.
You don't want to share with me?
No, I don't have one.
I have one. I have my own.
Yeah.
You like your ice cream? What do you think? You ready to go? Okay. So yeah, we went to Savers, so let's go ahead and get started with what I found. Also, I have one window in my office, a very small window, and I try to get in front of it and record, except that there's no sun out today, so my lighting is going to be a bit off, and I will try my best to show you as best as I can the true to color fabric colors, okay? The first thing that I found is actually this. It is a really, really good, at least I think it's a really good, but it's an awesome little selfie stick. I have been trying to sew some tutorials, but the angle and my stand that I use doesn't hold my phone the proper way or the right angle. So I'm hoping that with this I can get a little bit creative and I can work the angles of my phone so that I can go ahead and show you some sewing tutorials that I've been wanting to do. Let's go ahead and take out the fabric. The first one, this feels so soft. Tell me it looks kind of like blue. You see it? You see it? Please tell me you see it. See it now, it goes to being black on this side, but it's not black, it's like a blue. See that? It's like a bluish, like a dark blue, but it's so soft. This was $5, but it was 50% off. So this was $2.50 for 1.5 yards by 1.5 yards. So that's a pretty good deal. I think that's pretty fair. It feels like linen, okay? That's what it feels like. It feels like linen. It's really soft and just, it feels so comfortable, and I can't wait to tell you what I have an idea for this. I only found 3 pieces that really stood out. So this one was $4, and I'll tell you how much there is, and this is it. Isn't this really unique? Isn't it just really, really unique? Like, I picture a very comfy top. I picture a romper. I picture something, you know, a kimono top. I don't know, what do you think? This one is actually a full yard in length, and it is in height, I should say. Is that length is right? Yeah. And it's a yard. It's almost a yard and a half in width. So it'll be cute to make a top or two, or a pair of really cute shorts. But like breezy shorts, you know what I mean? Super cute. And this last one was $6, but it was half off, so it was $3. And it's this like yellow fabric. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Like this video for effort, alright? Like my video. I know it's not as true to color as I would love for you guys to see, but it's, see, there it is. There it is. There's that color. But it's really, really pretty. It's like a mustard color, and I think I'm actually going to make a toaster sweater out of this. I love the toaster sweater. I don't know if I'm gonna make another sweater. I do want to make zip up sweaters. I would love a bomber jacket, and I would love just a thin sweater that I could zip up. You know what I mean? I think those are so cute. It does have some stretch. This is widthwise, and this is lengthwise. So just a little bit. So the greatest stretch is widthwise, but it feels warm. It feels like it could be a sweater or a cardigan. Ooh, I actually have enough. Oh, I think I only have enough to make either a toaster sweater or a cardigan. So I'm gonna take a look at what I have in patterns so that I can make something, because this is actually really cute, and I've been wanting to make a cardigan. Lengthwise is 1.5 yards. Widthwise is 1.5 yards. So this is 1.5 yards by 1.5 yards. Again, not bad for $3, you know, and it's pretty wide. I like that. I don't like the white, like this one. I didn't like that it was really short, and sometimes when they're short like that, I actually don't purchase them at Savers. But this one just really stood out just by the design is just so pretty. I wish I had more to make, you know, a cute, maybe I do have enough to make a really cute dress, but it's just really, really cute. But this one I absolutely love, and I can't wait to make something. And it feels pretty heavy. Like, I think this is like a medium weight fabric, but yeah, I feel like this would be considered a medium weight just because I feel like it would keep me warm. I found this pattern for 69 cents, but it was 70 cents, and it was 50% off. Here it is. So it was probably 35 cents, and it's the M7597. Yes, it's really, really cute. I love this. I love this one. I love the sleeves on this one. Really cute. So what am I currently working on? I am working on the Mimi G style S8889. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know how long it took me to sew this, and how I really took my time in this one. This, in my eyes, okay, for me, I consider myself an advanced beginner, okay? And for me, this pattern was pretty difficult, but I love it so much. So this is the top, and I already took it in. This is the muslin, okay? So this is just the one that I used to sew to practice with, but it's really, really cute. So I've only fallen in love with the toaster sweater, my Macau shorts. Those patterns I fell in love with because of how easy and how comfortable those two patterns are. My toaster sweater and my Macau's my tried and true pattern, the one that I keep sewing up. Those two patterns are my favorite. They were my favorite because of how easy it is to sew them. This is actually one of my most favorite patterns, not because it's easy, but because I just fell in love with it. This top, I feel like it's me, and I love it so much, and I can't wait until I show you guys the final product of this top, because it's gonna be so beautiful, and all the ideas that I have with it probably be one of the final pieces that I show you for the month of September, simply because I do want to take my time on this. Just maybe it might be the only thing I sew this month. And with that, you guys, that's basically all I bought at Savers. That's currently what I'm working on. So I still have 3 videos that I want to sew up for sure, but I have 2 other ones that I also want to upload. So we will see how many videos I upload this week and next week, and I hope to see you guys in a few days if everything goes well. And with nothing more to say, I hope you have a wonderful day, week, and month, and don't forget to make it a great year. Bye.